What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. 3 tips to make an everlasting first impression. Before we get into the video, ladies and gentlemen, check out my social confidence school. It's going to be in the description. It's a free course. I'm going to teach you how to master the art of communicating. Go check it out. It's free. Alright, let's get into the video. Tip number 1, to make an everlasting first impression. Dress well. Dress well. When someone first sees you, a million things are running through their head. Is this person a nice person? Is he a mean person? Is he a good person? Is he a bad person? They judge you on the way you look. You see a guy on the road with no shirt on. What do you think? Oh, he's on drugs. You see a guy in a suit on the road. Oh, he's just late to work. Your clothes, the way you look matters. You see a girl wearing, revealing a lot of her clothes, revealing a lot of her skin. Oh, she's been around the block. You see a girl in a dress. Oh, she's probably going to dinner with her husband. The way you dress matters. It matters if you want it to matter. But if you don't care how people perceive you and treat you, well, it doesn't matter to you. But if you care how people treat you and perceive you, dressing well is important. You need to make that first impression great. Dressing well is gonna make people think quick about you, think highly of you. Second tip, to make an everlasting first impression, treat people with respect. People, let's say you're at a restaurant and you're on a date with a girl, and she sees you treating the waiter not with respect, with no respect. She's in her head, she's probably gonna be thinking, if he treats the waiter like this, he probably treats his mom like crap. He probably treats his dad with no respect. Treat people with respect. Other people notice it. Your reputation matters. When you treat people with respect, 90% of the time they're gonna respect you back. And when other people see that people respect you, your status is gonna go up. Your reputation is gonna go up. You see Donald Trump walk in the building, everybody wants to shake his hand. Everybody wants to meet him. Everybody respects him. His reputation is high. His status is high. Do you ever see Donald Trump disrespect people? No, Donald Trump treats civilians with respect. He treats everybody with respect, and he gets that respect back. So treat people with respect. Third tip, to make a awesome first impression, smell good. If you smell like doo-doo, if you smell like you just got out of the restroom and took a dump, people are gonna get away from you, and they will remember that. They're gonna be like, yeah, that's the guy that smells like poop. That's the guy that smells like poop. That must suck. Or if you smell good, you invest in a cologne. Oh, that's the guy that smells good. Or that's the girl that smells good, man. She smells like watermelons. Man, that guy smells like the ocean. People remember the way you smell. So invest in a fragrance to wear. You can buy one at the Dollar General. They have some really good ones over there. Anywhere, go find a fragrance. Even if you wear, just smell good. You need to smell good. Your hygiene is very important. When you smell someone and they smell good, for the first time you meet them, you're like, dang, this person's awesome. They smell so good. What the heck? You wonder, who are they? They take care of themselves. You picture the whole life, oh, this guy, he smells good, so maybe he's probably an important person. So smell good. People notice that. But if you smell like doo-doo, if you smell like sweat, people are gonna remember that, and they're gonna be like, that guy doesn't even care about himself. Why should I care about him? So smell good. I smell good, man. I dress good. I treat everybody with respect, and I smell good. And guess what? It's gotten me awesome results. People respect me. People treat me nice. I treat people nice. They treat me back nice. I smell good. No one complains that I smell bad. You gotta take care of yourself. That's how you make a great first impression. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, dress well, treat people with respect, and smell good. Do those 3 things, watch your life change. Like and subscribe, guys. Like the video, like it up, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. This is a great channel. This is a great video. And don't forget about my social course, man. It's a free course, link in description. I'm gonna teach you the art of communicating. I go in depth in it. It's a course, so you're gonna learn every little detail. It's a course dedicated to being confident, social confidence school. Go into school. What school do you know that is teaching you this stuff? There's no other school in America that is teaching you this awesome course. I'm the only teacher in the world teaching you this stuff. And I suffered with social anxiety. And the teachers that teach you, they didn't suffer. So I suffered with it. I'm preaching what I teach. Alright, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's kill 2023.